You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there existed a captivating tale of wonder and celestial beings, the story of why the sun and the moon live in the sky. Gather around, dear children, as we delve deeper into this enchanting narrative. In the heart of a vibrant kingdom, nestled amidst rolling hills and shimmering lakes, there lived a magnificent sun and a graceful moon. They were the epitome of friendship and radiance, their warm and gentle presence casting a celestial glow upon the world. Together, they danced across the heavens, illuminating the day and night, bringing joy and light to all living creatures. Their radiance caught the attention of the village below. The villagers marveled at the sun's golden rays, basking in its comforting warmth, and found solace in the moon's soft silver glow that painted the night sky with magic. They went about their daily lives, grateful for the luminous companionship that graced their existence. However, deep within the celestial realm, a mischievous sky fairy harbored jealousy towards the sun and the moon. This mischievous sprite craved attention and desired to possess the entire sky for itself. Envious of the sun and the moon's beauty and popularity, the sky fairy plotted to extinguish their radiant light and claim the celestial stage as its own. Under the cover of darkness, when the villagers lay sound asleep, the sky fairy hatched a nefarious plan. It whisked the sun and the moon away, concealing them within a hidden chamber, far beyond the reach of mortal eyes. As the night wore on, a blanket of darkness descended upon the land, leaving the villagers bewildered and disheartened. When the villagers awoke to a world devoid of light, panic and sadness filled their hearts. They stumbled through the darkness, unable to work or play, yearning for the return of their guiding luminaries. Their voices echoed in despair, praying for the sun and the moon to shine upon them once more. Word of their plight reached the ears of an ancient and wise creature known as the Great Wise Owl. The owl, renowned for its wisdom and guidance, took flight and descended upon the village. It perched upon the highest branch of an ancient tree, its piercing eyes filled with compassion and insight. The villagers gathered around the wise owl, sharing their sorrowful tale. They pleaded for its guidance, as they yearned to bring back the sun and the moon's radiant light. The great wise owl listened intently, its feathers rustling in contemplation. With a voice as gentle as a breeze, the owl spoke, "Fear not, dear villagers. To retrieve the sun and the moon, you must embark on a courageous journey to the farthest reaches of the sky, where the sky fairy dwells." Filled with hope, the villagers formed a united front, their determination shining brighter than any star. They set forth on a remarkable quest, traversing vast landscapes and facing numerous trials that tested their resilience and courage. Through treacherous forests, across mighty rivers, and over towering mountains, the villagers pressed on. They encountered mystical creatures, whose wisdom and guidance they sought, and shared tales of their journey, passing down the legends of the sun and the moon. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, but the villagers refused to succumb to weariness. Their unwavering spirit and camaraderie fueled their determination. Along their path, they discovered hidden wonders and witnessed breathtaking spectacles, the vibrant colors of a rainbow after a gentle rain, the graceful dance of fireflies under a moonlit sky, and the awe-inspiring grandeur of a star-studded night. Finally, as their journey neared its end, the villagers reached the realm of the sky fairy, a realm cloaked in mystery and magic. With bated breath and hearts pounding, they stood before the formidable fairy, their eyes filled with a mix of trepidation and hope. The Sky Fairy, initially defensive and guarded, soon recognized the purity of the villagers' intentions. It saw their unwavering belief in the power of light and understood the harm its jealousy had caused. Overwhelmed by remorse, the Sky Fairy made a heartfelt confession and pledged to return the sun and the moon to their rightful place. With a flick of its ethereal fingers, the Sky Fairy released the sun and the moon from their hidden chamber. The celestial luminaries, reinvigorated and full of joy, soared back to the sky. Their radiant light spilled forth, banishing the darkness that had plagued the land for far too long. As the sun embraced the day, painting the sky with hues of gold, the moon gracefully emerged, adorning the night with its silver glow. The villagers rejoiced, their voices filled with elation, for the sun and the moon had returned, their eternal presence bringing light, warmth, and enchantment to the world. From that day forward, the sun and the moon continued to traverse the heavens, their friendship unyielding, their light a beacon of hope for all. The villagers, forever grateful for their return, celebrated with joyous festivals, honoring the celestial bond that graced their lives. And so, my dear children, as you drift into a peaceful slumber, may the tale of why the sun and the moon live in the sky remind you of the enduring power of friendship, the strength of unity, and the everlasting beauty of light. Let their celestial dance inspire your dreams and fill your hearts with warmth and wonder.